Hi, my name is Nicole Sargent. I'm the Director of Operations for RIA. I want to take a moment to just talk about what this community is. And this community is powered by a team of dedicated volunteers across committees that span expertise and knowledge throughout the industry, from education, leaders in membership and growth and engagement, to our vendors and affinity partners, legislative task forces, pricing, carrier relations, that are experts in the industry. And that means that this community is built by restorers for restorers. These are all volunteers that spend their hard-earned time during the workday and beyond to build a better, more progressive community and landscape and ecosystem for you. I also want to take a moment to talk about the RIA Affinity Program. The vendors that we have are hand-selected by a group of task force members. They go and represent the collective buying power of RIA members from large organizations to small independent contractors and figure out how we can bring discounts, deals, and member benefits to our association. These are deals and savings exclusive to our members, and we would love to see that program grow. Currently in 2025, as I sit here, we only have 5% of our association participating in our affinity program. With that 5%, those members have saved over $300,000 in just 1 year. The ability for that program to scale and grow, and as more restoration professionals and companies join, the savings and benefit back to the member are endless. We would love for you to join us in bringing more benefits to our membership. And that starts with you finding out more and exploring the offers we currently have.